Hey guys! Today I got a new Lego set. Ignore that, okay guys? Okay, let me show you what I got from my Uncle Kenny today. Oh, here it is. I got a Lego City. Okay guys, let's unbox this. Okay. Let's go for this part. Hold on, guys. Guys, I'm gonna put you to the side here, and we're gonna listen to some songs.
Let me show you how to
Okay,
make
guys. All right. Sorry, guys. See, so guys, let's do it from here.
On our planet, racing through outer space, and there are
Wait, no, I forgot. I cannot get a copyright.
orbit around the sun.
I can't get a copyright, guys. Sorry about that, guys. Unfortunately, I'm not going to play any songs, then I will get a copyright claim. So yeah, I'm not going to play it because I will get a copyright. I can't get it. All right, here's the instructions. All right, let's go. All right. First, all right, guys. This is the first one. I'm gonna put you guys right here, okay? So on me. I'm doing this so you guys don't have to. Okay, let's go. Oh, sorry about that, guys. My phone does that sometimes. It does that. Sometimes. Alright, guys. Here's the head. Wait, it also comes with a fish. Okay, guys. Anyways, guys. If you see something on my Roblox, on the one of my Roblox videos, ignore it, okay? Because that was a silly one. Because after all these Roblox videos I did, I will show the links if you guys didn't see all of them. Share the link. Hold on. Oh. Hold on, guys. I need to get a sip of my water. Sorry, I was getting a sip. I was thirsty. Anyways, let's continue. If we are running out of time, you know what? No. I'm just saying. All right. Okay. That was one of them. Here's the lady. And what else? Oh, yeah. The helmet. Okay, we're going to put those. But actually, guys, I'll let you know when this is done. Come on, guys. We have to build this. I'll let you know when it's done. Okay, guys. You want to let's add the wheels together, okay? Ready? Okay, let's add the last one. There we go. We finished the vehicle. Look, guys, it's even said on the page. Okay, I'll let you know when I build the rest of the set. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3. Hold on, let me do that again. It's done, guys. All right, guys, but let's take off the helmet for now. Oh, and the rest of the Lego pieces I'm keeping. Okay, guys. Wait, since we are done building it, let's add it to our collection. Hold on, guys. I'll let you know when I'm done. When I put them there. Alright, guys, it's back there. Oh, helmet. Alright, bye.